Hi, welcome to Keco. My name's Kev. Today we're going to talk about the new Tornado tabs. These have been done in collaboration between Keco and Hudson Tansey from Dent. We all had that one tab that stretched, and for some reason after it stretched it just seemed to pull really well. So Hudson came up with a plan of, well, if maybe we can kind of emulate that stretch into a tab. We have this little sort of tornado style effect, hence the name. Where it's thinner at the bottom and then thicker at the top. So these are going to give a lot more strength, where they're not going to break as easy. They're going to take a lot more abuse, but they're still going to give us that dead center pull that we all like and are looking for. In the range itself, there is named after the F1 to F5 tornadoes. So we have an F1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the details on the website as to what millimeters they are. You can get these as a variety pack. This is a variety pack, so we have 10 tabs in here, or you can buy them as an individual, because I know certain people like 13 mils for argument's sake, so you can buy packs of individual tabs. You do get a little cow in the variety pack. I don't know if you get those in the other ones, but that was a nice little surprise. Another good feature on these, if you come and have a look at this a bit closer, Sam, if you can see the heads have been flattened on one side. So if we do pop these on a roof, lay them down, they're not going to roll off like a round tab would typically do. So, and the other nice thing as well, being different colours, it's very easy to know which one's your small tab, which one's your heavier tab, and they've been coloured like a tornado. The lighter they are, the less ferocious, and then getting up to the darker, bigger F5s. So great tab, pull really well. Longevity on these is great. They do get that dead center style pull, but just that lasts that little bit longer. I've seen guys using these on slide hammers, mini lifters, and they seem to put up with both of them really well. So hope you've enjoyed this review. As always, if you have any questions, just reach out to us and we'll try and get them answered. Pop onto the website and you'll be able to find all the different sizes available on the page for these. So thanks for tuning in.